Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is how to construct an angle bisector. Now, what is an angle bisector? A ray which bisects the given angle in two equal halves and has the starting point as that of the two rays making the angle is called an angle bisector of the given angle. Now, let's see what it means. First of all, we'll draw an acute angle. See, we have kept three spaces. One is angle bisector of an acute angle. The second one will be the angle bisector of a right angle, and the third one will be angle bisector of a obtuse angle. So let's start with angle bisector of an acute angle. So we'll draw an acute angle. Now, what is an acute angle? An angle which is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree is an acute angle. So let's draw one arm of the angle. So this is one ray. So using the protractor, we'll draw any angle. Let's say we'll draw 60 degree. Got it? So we'll join this one and this one. So we'll join this one and this one. So let's say we'll name it as the vertex as Y, this one as Z, and this one as X. So this is an acute angle. Now, how to bisect this acute angle? Let's see. So the step one is with Y as center, right? See, with Y as center, the vertex as center. Draw an arc cutting this ray and this ray. So we'll draw an arc. Now cutting YZ at certain point and YX at certain point, right? So let's name these points. So we'll name them as B and this point as A. So we have drawn an arc with Y as center, the vertex as center, while this particular arc cutting YZ at B and cutting YX at A. Got it? So this is the first step. So what will be the second step? Now using B as center, right? See, using B as center. Do not change the radius. It has to be more than, approximately more than this area, this distance. So it is obviously more than this distance. So draw an arc here. Got it? Now next step is with A as center, cut the previous arc at M. So we'll call this as M. Got it? We'll mark this intersection point. Now we'll join it. So we'll join it. Got it? So we'll join this Y and M. So we'll join Y and M. Got it? Now this YM. Now this YM is the angle bisector. Now this YM is the angle bisector. YM is the angle bisector, right? Is the angle bisector of angle X, Y, Z. So see, so this is X, Y, Z. This is the given angle, acute angle, and YM is the bisector. Now, what does this bisector means? Means this angle now is supposed to be equal to this angle. Now, what are these angles? Now, let's write them down. Therefore, as we have divided angle XYZ into two equal halves and Y is supposed to be the angle bisector, now we can write angle XYM is equal to angle ZYM. So this angle is equal to this angle. Got it? So let's check it out. So we have drawn, remember, 60 degree, right? Now see. So this is 30 degree. On the protractor, you can check it out. This is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. So this is equal to this. So we have successfully bisected the given angle. Now we'll use the same method for any angle bisection. So we'll see the second one, angle bisector of 90 degree. Got it? So we'll simply draw a 90 degree here. We'll draw a 90 degree here. In a simple way with a protractor. Later on we'll see how to draw few angles without protractor but using only compass. So we'll take this point and this point, and this one is supposed to be now 90 degree. So again, let's call this as Z, this as X, and this as Y. Now what we'll do, see, if you remember, we'll use the same process. We'll take Y as center and we'll draw an arc in such a way so that it cuts the YZ and YX at A and B respectively. Got it? I was supposed to write A here. Sorry. A, you write, students, write A here. Okay? Okay. Now, what should we do? Taking B as center, draw an arc here, and A as center, cut the previous arc at M. Got it? So we'll call this as M, the intersection point. Let's join YM. Got it? So let's join YM. So let's join YM. Now YM is supposed to be the angle bisector of 90 degree. So see, so this is 90 and obviously this is 45. See, in the protractor it is 45. So this one will be also 45. So we have successfully bisected the right angle. So let's take an obtuse angle. So what is an obtuse angle? An angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So let's draw an angle with a protractor. So later on we'll see how to draw different angles with just compasses only. So let's have 120. Got it? So we'll take this point and we'll take this point. So obviously this is an obtuse angle. So again we'll name this as Z, this as X, and the vertex as Y. So we'll use the same process. We'll just increase the radius a little bit. Take Y as center, draw an arc in such a way that it cuts YZ at B and YX at A. Now taking B as center. Now see, if you measure the distance with the compass, just increase a little bit. Why? Because it has to be more than 50%. Why? It will become comfortable for you to bisect the angle then. So see, it is more than 50%. So draw an arc with A as center, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at M. So we'll call it at M. Okay, we'll mark the intersection point and we'll join this. So we'll take this one, and we'll join this. So YM is the bisector of the obtuse angle. So it was 120 degree. So it is supposed to be 60 degree. See, this is 60 degree, right? So in today's lecture, you have seen how to construct an angle bisector of an acute angle, of a right angle, and of an obtuse angle. So we'll follow the same process whenever we'll be bisecting a given angle. Later on, in later lectures, we'll see how to draw angles and bisecting them with just compass only. Got it? So thanks for watching, students. Have a great day. Bye bye.